materials you'll need in order to make this paper airplane is a sheet of A4 paper and, of course, yourself. Step 1. Create the center line by folding one vertical edge to the other. Creating sharp creases with your folds will help your plane a lot in flying. Step 2. As you would in any other paper airplane, fold both top corners of the paper to line up onto the center line. Remember, symmetry is very important. Step 3. Now, all you have to do is fold down from the horizontal line that you just made. Make sure to line it up to the center line. Step 4. This might be hard for a few people, but don't worry, this step is pretty easy. It helps to make the front of the plane flat. All you have to do is to fold the top corners to touch the center line. Repeat the same thing on the other side. And I can't stress it enough, make it symmetrical. Now you should be left with the triangle or a flap. Step 5 is pretty easy. Just fold that flap or triangle upwards as much as possible. Your plane should look like this. Step 6. We will now perform what is called a mountain fold. Fold the plane in half so it's almost like the flaps are going away from you. You should have a mountain shape once you're done folding. Make the wings line up. Now just straighten the plane. Step 7. The final step. The wings. Fold the edge down to the bottom edge to create them. Pretty simple, right? do the same thing on the other side. Make both wings the same. Now just straighten the wings for better performance. And now we're done! Congratulations on making this plane! Tips and tricks. At first, the airplane may not fly well and instead head straight down. To prevent this, pinch the back part of the wings of the plane upwards just a bit. This creates an elevator for the plane, causing it to go up. Fiddle around with the elevators until they are at the good position, a right position, and if you have it in that position, the paper airplane should fly in the air beautifully. Make sure that you fold your plane with symmetry and have fun! My name is Saad, and I hope you had a great time learning with me on how to build a paper airplane. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share this video with others. And I will see you next time. Ta-ta!